morning students. We were doing the preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes by different methods. 3 we have done, from alcohols, from alkanes and from alkenes. Now we are doing the 4th preparation from benzene and alkyl benzene. Let us see it. Benzene, we are taking different examples. Benzene reacts with chlorine in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 or FeCl3. In dark, you do not require a sunlight for this reaction, but you require these anhydrous AlCl3 or FeCl3, which are Lewis acids. Now, what happens? One of the hydrogens are replaced by Cl. One of the hydrogens, benzene and C6H6, one hydrogen is replaced by chlorine, and this hydrogen reacts with another chlorine and form HCl. It is chlorobenzene which is formed in this reaction. And this reaction is an example of electrophilic substitution reaction. Instead of benzene, if I take toluene, that is an alkyl benzene, I put here CH3. So it becomes toluene, or you can call it methyl benzene. If it is reacted with chlorine under the same conditions, anhydrous AlCl3 or FeCl3 in dark, then we know that methyl group itself is ortho and para directing group. So Cl will be directed at ortho and para position. So it is orthochlorotoluene and para-chlorotoluene, although the para is the major product, plus HCl. This is also an example of an electrophilic substitution reaction. But if I carry out the same reaction with chlorine in the presence of sunlight, I'm not taking anhydrous AlCl3, I'm not doing the reaction in dark, I'm doing it in the presence of sunlight. If we do it in the presence of sunlight, then it undergoes free radical halogenation. There is no electrophilic substitution. What it is? Free radical halogenation. And the hydrogen of the alkyl group is replaced by chlorine, CH2Cl plus HCl. Hydrogen of not the benzene ring but of the alkyl group is replaced by halogen. This reaction takes place by free radical halogenation that we have also done in the case of alkanes in the presence of sunlight, and the product formed is called benzyl chloride. To see the second and third reaction, the reactants are same but the conditions differ, so the product also differs. So this is your 4th preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes, that is from benzene and alkyl benzene. Next reaction is your halogen exchange method. Next is your halogen exchange reactions. As the name suggests, there is an exchange of halogens that will take place. Let us see with an example. First category in it is Finkelstein reaction, which is only used for preparation of iodoalkanes. In this method, haloalkane RX. X can be here chlorine or bromine. Reacts with NaI, or you can take Ki, sodium iodide or potassium iodide, in the presence of triacetone. And we will see that X is displaced by iodine. So it is a halogen exchange. Chlorine or bromine are exchanged by iodine. So we get Ri, iodoalkane, plus NaX. Let us take one example of this reaction. CH3 Cl plus NaI in the presence of triacetone. Halogen exchange, I will come here, Cl will move here. So it is CH3I plus NaCl. So this reaction is a halogen exchange reaction, specifically on the name of a scientist, Finkelstein. So it is a name reaction. Next is Schwarz reaction, again on the name of a scientist. It is used for the preparation of fluoroalkanes. Used for the preparation of only fluoroalkanes. Let us see. RX can react with different reactants containing fluorine. AgF, silver fluoride. RX can react with mercurous fluoride. RX can react with cobalt trifluoride. It can react with antimony trifluoride. X in all the cases can be chlorine or bromine. Now in the first case, one halogen, one F, so X will be replaced by F, RF plus AgX. Second case, there are two fluorines, so I take two RX. So in both the RX, both the X will be replaced by fluorine. So you get 2RF plus Hg2X2. In the third one, there are three fluorines, so I take 3RX. So it will be 3RF plus COX3. RX plus SBF3, I take 3RX. So it will be 3RF plus SBX3. So this is how I can convert chloro or bromoalkanes into fluorides. We can take one example also. Suppose I take C2H5Br and I react it with antimony trifluoride. What are the products formed? We know 3 fluorines, so I have to take 3. So it will be 3C2H5F plus SbBr3. So this we have done with the two preparations of haloalkanes and haloalkanes. Other next preparation we will do in the next session. Thank you.